Oh, what's that? Oh, hey little bird.
Oh, you want some of my chips? Well, sorry, but I already ate them all. But I do have something.
Here, birdie. Whoa, more birds. Okay. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Sorry, birds, but I don't have any more. Ah! Stop it. Okay, that's enough. You guys need to leave. Such miscreants. Whoa! What the heck? Stop taking my stuff! I need to go to Julian for this.
Yes, Yeye?
I found a bird fellow who's actually alive first, and then they came after me, and then there's so much stuff, and I'm right here, and I need your help.
Wow, okay. Well, are they still chasing after you?
Yes.
Okay, we need to board up this place then.
Oh, man, I'm so scared. Who knows how dangerous those birds are?
What the heck did you even do to make these birds so angry?
I may have accidentally kinda purposely fed them.
Dude, you can't just feed birds. More birds will spawn and expect more food from you to the point where you'll run out of food and they'll get mad at you.
That might have been what happened.
You've got to be kidding me. Why?
I don't know.
Look, next time don't feed the birds because look at what's happening right now, dude. Now we're trying to hide from them until they can leave.
Wait, they haven't made any noise. Do you think they've left?
Yeah, probably. Let's go check. Why is there a giant cardboard that says birds rule?
I have no idea.
Do you think all the birds are there? Yup, they're there.
We should go investigate so we can save the world.
Alright, but we're gonna need to be super quiet.
Yeah, we don't want them to find us and trap us like the rest. We need to save the world.
Whoa, yeah! You guys can do it!
Shh! We need to be quiet.
Oh, my bad.
Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
What are all those buttons for? I don't know. Why would a control panel just be here? Does it even have a purpose? How am I supposed to know that? But why would a bird also be a king? It doesn't make sense. Perhaps it has something to do with all these other birds, like a hierarchy. Let's just go do it and see what happens. I'm scared though. Hey, stop being so overly scared for no reason. Fine. After those birds destroy everything I own? No way. Look, let's just stop talking and see what they use the control panel. Julian?
Uh-oh.
Hey, little birdie. We were just
Just making sure the place is neat and tidy. Yeah. Shoot. Now how are we supposed to get out of here now?
Look! The birds left the key on the ground!
Huh. Aw man, it's too far away to reach.
Dang it. What are we gonna do now?
I don't know, but this wouldn't have happened if you didn't feed the birds.
I know, I'm really sorry, okay? I didn't know that they would act like this and literally rule the world.
What did you even feed them anyway?
Flavored bird seeds. But all of the other birds joined in and didn't even let the first bird eat.
Wait, which bird is that right now?
I think it's the king bird. He looks very similar.
If he's the king bird, maybe we could try to feed him so he can be happy and set everyone in the city free. That's why they trapped us all, right? Because they wanted more food.
Yeah, but you said we couldn't feed them.
I know, but it's our only chance.
This is gonna feel very anticlimactic.
Yeah, I know, but it's worth a shot.
Anyway, how are we gonna get out of here and find the seeds?
We need to reach the key, but I can't reach it.
I could try. Oops.
No! How are we gonna get out of here now? Ow.
Hey, that makes it easier to grab it.
Whoosh sound effect.
Yeah, we did it!
But where are we gonna find the seeds?
Hey, I have some in my pocket when I tried to make them leave me alone.
Huh?
I have throwing abilities for some reason. I can give it to you guys.
Oh, that's sick. Thank you so much. Okay, that's enough. You guys are doing too much. These aren't you. You guys aren't acting like yourselves. I know all of you are better than this. You're just alone, depressed, and hungry. And I get it. But we can change that. Together. Forever. Who's with me?
That was the most corniest speech I've ever heard.
Yeah, I know. Wow, that's a nice sword. Where did you get it from? Ah! Whoops. Well, I guess this is it.
Hey! Are you guys looking for this? Do you want this? Go ahead and get it. Hey, the guy that gave us the bag.
Huh?
You said you had throwing skills, huh? I need you to throw this bag very far away, as hard as you can.
Gotcha. Go and catch this, birdies. Ha!
Did you find a way to defeat them?
Yeah, they wanted the bag of seeds so badly, so I gave it to the guy who has good throwing skills and threw it very far away.
Awesome! We saved the day!
So, should we go free everyone?
Yeah.
Man, I am so glad that's all over.
Same. Anyway, I'm gonna go home and, do stuff, I guess. See ya!
See ya. Huh? Oh no, not this time.